Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. It's crucial to have everything on hand before you start. 1. Power down and prepare. Ensure your Asus F554L is completely powered off and unplugged. Remove any external devices. It's also a good idea to wear your anti-static wrist strap during the entire process. 2. Removing the back cover. Flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back cover. You'll typically find several Phillips screws. Carefully remove them and set them aside. Use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Take your time to avoid damaging the clips. 3. Locating the speakers. Once the back cover is off, locate the speaker assembly. The speakers are usually situated near the bottom corners. Make sure to note how the wires are routed. 4. Disconnecting the speakers. Carefully disconnect the speaker cables from the motherboard. Use the plastic spudger to lift the connectors gently. Be sure not to tug too hard to prevent any damage. 5. Removing the old speakers. Unscrew the screws that hold the speakers in place. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them for the new speakers. Once unscrewed, gently lift the speakers out of their compartments. If you find this process daunting or don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for your convenience. You can have your laptop repaired without the hassle of traveling. 6. Preparing the new speakers. Take your new speakers and align them in the same position as the old ones. Make sure they are the correct model for the Asus F554L to avoid compatibility issues. Before securing them, check for any dust or debris in the area and clean it with a soft brush or compressed air. 7. Installing the new speakers. Position the new speakers into the compartments and secure them with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are firmly in place. 8. Reconnecting the speaker cables. Connect the new speaker cables to the motherboard. Ensure they are connected securely and are routed the same way as the old ones to avoid any interference. 9. Reassembling the laptop. Once everything is in place, carefully replace the back cover. Align it properly and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert all the screws you removed earlier. 10. Final checks. Power on your laptop and test the new speakers to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you experience any issues, feel free to contact us for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can help you troubleshoot any problems remotely, so no calls or travel are necessary. In conclusion, replacing the speakers in your Asus F554L is a straightforward process that can enhance your laptop's audio performance significantly. If you prefer a hassle-free experience, remember we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.